everyone.
Hello.
So we have just started on our road trip to Rajasthan. So this is our first attempt at blogging, or vlogging rather. We thought that we will capture all the moments from this trip, which will become a chronicle of this journey. When we look back at time, we will have lots of good memories to live with and to cherish. I am traveling here with my family, Mayukh. In the back seat is Xeeshaan, aka Juljul. You will hear a lot more Juljul from us. This is my wife, Pooja. A lot of planning has gone through over the last couple of weeks, if not months. Finally, we are on the road. So today's plan is to reach till Hyderabad. We are not going to enter the main city of Hyderabad. Rather, we will take the outer ring road and head towards Mayukh. Our hotel is booked over there. So we will crash for the night at Mayukh. Next morning, we have a plan to start early and we would head for Jhansi. So from here to Hyderabad, it's like 700 kilometers. Tomorrow will be a long one. So from Mayukh to Jhansi would be somewhere around 800 to 900 kilometers, not very sure. But yes, we plan to reach there by 10 o'clock at night. That is on Saturday. And on Sunday morning, we will start a little late from Jhansi. Cover the Jhansi fort if possible. Then continue the last leg of the journey, which will take us to Jaipur. So that's the overall high-level plan. Let's see how the roads take us, how Optimus, the vehicle, behaves, and how the passengers behave. So based on that, we will decide. We may improvise on the plan. So we are at Hyderabad right now. So just to share a quick update, the road conditions wise, Anantapur, then Guti, then Kurnool, and there were some road widening work happening over there, for which we lost some time over there. We reached Hyderabad somewhere around 10:30. This hotel is okay. It's like a resort. If you can see around me, this is how the place looks. We are here in the garden. It's a nice property. Finding out this place was a little tough because it is quite tucked away from the main city, and it's like some 5 kilometers away from Nagpur Express Highway. We picked up some biryani from Paradise and finally came here, had our dinner over here, and got the room sanitized with the type of stuff that we were carrying, sprays and all, surface protectors, got all the touch points sanitized. So now we are going to start the second part of the onward leg of the journey. So today it will take us to Jhansi, and from Jhansi we will let you know more. started for the last leg of the journey to Jaipur. So I'll just give you a brief of the journey so far. So we started from Hyderabad at 9:30 a.m. in the morning and stopped by for some breakfast. So after we finished our light breakfast, we reached Nagpur somewhere around 2:30ish. We did not enter the main Nagpur city. We bypassed it and continued on NH44, taking us to Pench National Forest. We made a stopover at Pench. Juljul wanted to see some tigers. We tried looking for tigers. Juljul, did you find one?
Yeah, you forgot your telling.
Say it to the camera.
I saw a pink tiger in the forest when my father was driving on the road, so he couldn't see. Then I kept a lookout.
Then we stopped also, right?
Yeah.
So what did we do after stopping? You have to tell the story.
My father took a photo of me.
What did you actually spot?
Fox. Yeah, I spotted a fox after some time, after all the photos.
So yeah, we stopped over at Pench for some time, did some quick clicks. It was an awesome drive within the Pench National Forest. Right after crossing Pench, before entering Seoni, we stopped over at a dhaba, Punjabi dhaba, and had our early dinner. It was around 6:30. It was very cold, 8 degrees centigrade. Quickly dragged our jackets out of the bag, had our dinner or supper rather at the dhaba, which is like few kilometers before entering Seoni. And the road conditions within the forest area was very good. There was a dilemma whether to take that route or not, because I had been reading a lot of information passing around in FB stating that the road within the forest is blocked. We saw some construction work, but luckily they did not stop us. So during this part of the journey, we crossed very nice roads, starting from Seoni onward till Lalitpur. It was perfectly fine. It was around 1 o'clock when we reached our hotel at Jhansi. So it was a memorable day for us. So this was by far the longest one that we have covered over a span of a day. We retired for the day at the hotel, and this morning we woke up, we quickly freshened up, checked out at around 10 and restarted. So we are going to through the Kota route. We got to know that the road conditions are quite good, so we took the Kota route and stopped at the dhaba for some quick breakfast. And now when I started the vlog, that is when we came out of the dhaba. We got some time and I thought that I'll be sharing this update with all of you. So stay tuned with us while we take you through the rest of the journey to Rajasthan, and then we will come out with the season 2 of this, which will be touring Rajasthan, the various places that we will be visiting during our during this tour. So more miles on rubber for us. Thank you very much.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Thailand. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. show any fear. I've been flying from town to town,